think this is working well today? This is a good one. We touch your car twice, we put a bandana around it. So we want everybody to have the experience on this with the so many beautiful cars. Alicia's in the audience, looking good.
No cars.
So the one.
My favorite dude, man, Albert from BK Printing. I was bragging that I started with BK when Bill Greco was in charge. 20 years ago?
No, that is my name from that one. Yes, I like it. Robertina.
I go to BK Printing. Thanks, Albert. Okay, I look at this. Who's Shelby? You're Shelby, right? So talk to me about this Shelby. This thing looks like it doesn't have to go anywhere. It looks like it's going 115 miles an hour. What's your name, young man? Hey, tell us about this Shelby. Shelby, 427, 160 horsepower with 2200 pounds. I'm telling you, man, that thing is a looker. I really like this car. The year again is a 1965 Shelby. Let's move over to the court side over here. Greetings, Apple. Wow, this is